Technology and Livelihood Education. Industrial Arts for Grade 8. Quarter 4. Week 1 Part 2. Our topic is Common Floor Plan Symbols and Plumbing Symbols. The following are the objectives of this lesson. Are you familiar with the following symbols? What do they mean? Can you name each one of them? Are you familiar with the following symbols? What do they mean? Can you name each one of them? What are the different symbols you observe in your community? Our topic is Common Floor Plan Symbols and Plumbing Symbols. The following are the floor plan symbols. Floor plan symbols are graphical representations of architectural elements, furniture, appliances, and other features used to create floor plans. Floor plan symbols help to communicate the layout and design of a space, as well as the function and purpose of each element. Walls. Walls are thick lines that define the boundaries of a room or a building. Walls can be solid, dashed, or dotted, depending on their type of visibility. Here are the different symbols for walls, depending on the materials being used. Doors. Doors are shown as thin lines that intersect with walls. Doors can have different shapes and styles, such as swing, sliding, folding, or revolving. Doors can have symbols that indicate their opening direction, such as an arc or an arrow. LLS are thick lines that define the boundaries of a room or a building. Walls can be solid, dashed, or dotted, depending on their type of visibility. Windows. Windows are shown as thin lines that are parallel to walls. Windows can have different shapes and sizes, such as rectangular, circular, or irregular. Windows can also have symbols that indicate their type and function, such as casement, awning, or fixed. Furniture. Furniture is shown as simplified shapes that represent the size and shape of the object. Furniture can include tables, chairs, sofas, beds, cabinets, and more. Furniture can also have labels that indicate their name and dimensions. Appliances. Appliances are shown as icons that represent the type and function of the device. Appliances can include stoves, refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, dryers, and more. Appliances can have labels that indicate their name and specifications. Other features are shown as symbols representing the specific element or system. Other features include stairs, fireplaces, sinks, toilets, showers, bathtubs, outlets, switches, lights, fans, vents, and plumbing is the system of pipes, valves, fittings, and fixtures that delivers clean water and removes wastewater from a building. Plumbing is essential for the health and safety of the occupants of the building as well as for the protection of the environment. Plumbing codes and standards regulate plumbing systems design, installation, and operation to ensure their quality and performance.
A time to remember. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.